Good morning, student. How are you? And welcome to my English class. Today I gave you revision worksheet. Okay, so I today I will give you one revision of this lesson, Nina and the baby sparrows. And student, listen very carefully and don't forget your paper will come from your the lesson. Not only that question which I gave you in your worksheet, but also from your lesson. So please read the lesson very carefully and listen the explanation of lesson very carefully. Okay, now I am going to start my revision work. Listen very carefully, and if you want to note down something, take out your book, notebook and pencil and note down the points. Okay, now there was great joy in Nina's house. In my last video I told you about Nina. Nina is a little girl like you. There was great joy in Nina's house. Great joy means वहाँ पर बहुत खुशी का माहौल था नीना के घर में. Because Nina's aunt was getting married. Who was getting married? Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Her family is going to attend the family. Whose family? Whose marriage? His aunt marriage. Whom are going? Nina, her father, mother and little brother. It means only 4 members were going to attend the wedding. Where were they going? They were going to Delhi. Everyone was happy excepted Nina. In his family, in Nina's family, everyone was happy. Everyone means her father, her mother and her little brother was happy, but Nina was not happy. Why she was not happy, I told you later. Okay, her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. As you know, we all buy new dresses for the wedding, na? So same, Nina's mother also want to buy some new dress for Nina. So she took her to the market to buy new dress. In the market, her mother asked with Nina, "What color would you like?" My mother asked. What her mother asked? Her mother asked, "What color would you like?" आपको कौन सा रंग पसंद है? What color would you like? Then Nina answered, "I don't want a new dress, mother." What she said? She said, "I not want any dress," because she was unhappy. Then her mother asked again, "Salwar kameez then?" Who asked this line? Salwar kameez then? Her mother. Nina's mother asked, "Salwar kameez?" Nina shook her head. Nina shook her head. Shook means no. She shook her head means Nina said no. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? Now her mother is asking with Nina, Nina, what about those lovely white shoes? She is asking for white shoes which last week Nina want to buy. I don't want those either. What she said? She said, I not want to those white shoes also. Thank you, mother. Why she said thank you? Because her mother was asking for her favorite shoes. That's why she was saying thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing because her daughter Nina nothing she buy, so her mother was upset, unhappy. They come back to the home and they had lunch. After the lunch, mother came to the Nina and sit with her and asked with Nina, "What is it, child?" she asked. What her mother asked, what is it, child? Means, why are you saying no to everything? Why are you not bought a dress for wedding? She asked, why did you say no to everything? Why are you saying in the market no to everything? Everything means, she asked for salwar kameez and shoes na. So Nina said, no, I not want mother. That's why her mother is asking, why was you saying that time no for everything? Then Nina answered her mother, mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. What she said? She said, mother, I not want to attend the wedding. It means I not want to go to Delhi. I not want to leave my house. Then her mother asked, but why? Means, why you are not want to go to wedding, to attend the aunt's marriage? Nina said nothing. Nina not give the answer of this question. In place of answer, 2 big tears roll down her cheeks. उसकी गालों से लुढ़ककर 2 बड़े बड़े मोटे मोटे आंसू गिरे. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry. तो उसकी मम्मी ने क्या किया? नीना को हर मदर हग हिम एंड सेड, डोंट क्राई माई पेट, मेरे प्यारे बच्ची मत रो. शी सेड, वाई डोंट यू टेल मी व्हाट्स बॉदरिंग यू? एंड हर मदर आस्क्ड विद हर, वाई आर यू वरीड? तुम्हें बॉदरिंग मीन्स वरीड, चिंता. तुम्हें किस बात की चिंता है? व्हेन हर मदर आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन ना, अगेन मोर टीयर्स रोल डाउन नीनाज चीक्स. फिर से उसने आंसू उसके गालों से, आँखों से लुढ़ककर गालों में गिरने लगे. What she said? Mother. What she said? Mother. There is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room. Why she was down? Now you will find why Nina was not want to go to attend the wedding. Okay, what she said? She told her mother, mother, there is a nest. There is a nest in my room on the bookshelf. Okay. She said there is a nest. घोंसला. Nest means घोंसला है bookshelf में. And there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest. And in that nest 2 baby sparrows are there. In this picture you can see, है ना बच्चों? You can see here 2 baby sparrows are here. Then her mother said, I see. I see means, oh, अब आया समझ में क्यों तुम रो रही थी. They are just beginning to get their feathers. Means उनके अभी सिर्फ क्या निकल रहे हैं? पर निकल रहे हैं, पंख निकल रहे हैं. And growing up makes them so hungry. Because they are growing up, so they feel hungry so much. All day long they cry chip chip chip, asking for food. All that 2 baby sparrows all time says chip chip chip. Chip chip means they are asking for food. Means mama give me food. All day long they cry chip chip, asking for food. Means they need food all day long. Mother said, I see. If we go, the whole place will be locked. Then Nina said, mother, if we will go to Delhi to attend the marriage, our house will be locked. In locked house, then how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? How the Mama and Papa sparrows give the food to these 2 baby sparrows? Understand? Cried mother. मदर ने क्या बोला? ओ नीना, कितनी अच्छी बात बोल रही थी ना वो. शी वॉज वरीड अबाउट द बेबी स्पैरोज. दैट्स वाई शी वॉज नॉट वांट टू go to Delhi to attend the marriage. Her mother said, oh Nina, giving her a big hug. और उसको अपनी बाहों में भर लिया मम्मी ने. Okay. इज दैट वाई डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो टू द वेडिंग. अच्छा, तो ये बात है, इसलिए आप नहीं जाना चाहती हो शादी में. बट दैट्स नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. बट इट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम. हर मदर सेड इट इज़ नॉट अ वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम. वी विल लीव द विंडो ओपन. हर मदर सजेस्टेड. Her mother suggested we will leave the window open. Why her mother said to leave the window open? Because through the window, Mama and Papa Sparrow can come and go and give food to their babies. So, oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Now, Nina said happily, oh, can we, mother? Can we really? She happily asked with her mother. Her mother said, yes, yes. What her mother said? Her mother said, yes. We will remove all your things from the room. Her mother said कि we will remove means हटा देंगे तुम्हारा जितना सामान कमरे में है. We will remove that all things from your room and lock the door on the outside. और जब कमरा पूरा खाली हो जाएगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, दरवाज़ा बाहर से बंद कर देंगे. सो द हाउस विल बी परफेक्टली सेफ. तो घर कैसे हो जाएगा, सेफ. अगर कोई चोर भी घुसेगा ना खिड़की से तो दरवाज़ा तोड़कर आना कैसे आएगा वो, वहाँ तो दरवाज़ा खोल के कैसे आएगा, दरवाजे में तो ताला लगा है ना. और उस कमरे से कैसे ले जाएगा कुछ, क्योंकि वहाँ तो कुछ है ही नहीं, वो तो पहले से ही खाली कर दिया है. समझे. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama Sparrows can come and go freely too. फिर Mama and Papa can go means they can come to give the food to their babies and they go outside to find out the food for their babies. है ना. They can come and go easily from the window. Oh, sorry, through the window. Then her mother said, just think Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding. जब तुम वेडिंग में मज़े कर रही होंगी, आनंद ले रही होंगी, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. तो बच्चे क्या हो जाएंगे, बड़े हो जाएंगे, अच्छे हो जाएंगे और मोटे मोटे हो जाएंगे. Good idea, isn't it? Her mother asked with her, it is a good idea or not? It was a good idea. Now when Nina came back from the wedding, Nina came back from the wedding with her family, when she opened the door and entered in room, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. दो मोटी मोटी चिड़ियाँ क्या कर रही थी, पूरे रूम में उड़ रही थी. फ्लाइंग ऑल ओवर द रूम. एंड वॉजन नीना थ्रिल्ड. और नीना क्या थ्रिल्ड नहीं हुई होगी, उत्तेजित मतलब खुशी से झूम नहीं उठी होगी, है ना. द राइटर ऑफ दिस लेसन इज प्रतिभा नाथ. एंड दिस स्टोरी स्टूडेंट, आई टोल्ड यू द स्टोरी ऑफ नीना. कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट नीना? What kind of girl was Nina? And what kind of her mother also? So you read this lesson carefully and discuss with your mother. I told you the explanation of this lesson. Okay, thank you student.